It knows how to stay calm, then come alive in one instant, traveling from one point to another, offering us a horizon, another vision of the world, providing waves of new sensations and experiences. With endless energy, precious resources, and like nothing else, it energizes each one of us, pulls us together. It's responsible for our well-being. It's the salt of our holidays, a living show, always renewed. It constantly attracts us, nourishes us, and inspires dreams across the globe. The ocean, essential to the planet's equilibrium. The ocean, suffering a deep imbalance in the way we treat it. The ocean, the cause that Novotel commits to preserve. From providing balance for people to providing balance for the planet. Starting now, Novotel initiates a sustainable wave engaging all our hotels, whether it is in a city, in the countryside, or on a coast. Because every action on land impacts ocean's life. We know it is ambitious, but like a wave, we are starting small to grow bigger. We are learning, changing, testing, and surrounding ourselves with the best guides to lead us, WWF. A global leader in building a sustainable future for people and our planet. WWF, working around the world to ensure marine resources are managed sustainably so the ocean is protected for future generations. Together, with our partners, owners, and guests, we will change the way we consume the ocean, rebalancing our menus with less fish and meat. We will change the way we treat the ocean, rebalancing the way we consume resources, reducing plastic, water, and carbon. We will change the way we talk the ocean, rebalancing awareness on the ocean's cause, educating ourselves, our guests, and communities. We will change the way we see the ocean, a source of inspiration as we rebalance investments in research and innovation. Because the ocean is everyone's future. It's time to rebalance life and the ocean. Novotel.